Imagine a situation where authorities need to investigate something important, but they cannot just barge in. There is a critical legal step ensuring fairness and constitutional protection. A sworn affidavit is absolutely fundamental to supporting a search warrant because it provides the sworn testimony and evidence necessary to establish probable cause. This is a constitutional requirement for any legal search. The why here centers on the Fourth Amendment. This foundational document protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. To get around this protection, the government must show a judge that there is probable cause to believe that evidence of a crime will be found in a particular place. The affidavit is the sworn statement from a law enforcement officer, detailing all the facts and circumstances that lead them to this belief. It must be specific, providing enough reliable information to convince a neutral judge that a search is justified. Without this detailed, sworn statement, a warrant cannot be issued. To make an affidavit effective and legally sound, it must contain several key elements. It should clearly identify the property to be searched and the items to be seized. It must explain the sources of information, such as eyewitness accounts, confidential informants, or surveillance results, and vouch for their credibility. Every piece of information presented must be directly relevant to establishing probable cause for the specific search requested. This process is more than just paperwork. It is a critical safeguard against overreach. The requirement for a sworn affidavit, presented to a neutral magistrate or judge, embodies the principle of judicial review in real time. It ensures that law enforcement's actions are scrutinized by an independent party before a person's privacy is infringed. This prevents arbitrary government intrusion and reinforces the balance of power envisioned by our legal framework. Understanding the role of a sworn affidavit reveals how our legal system meticulously balances public safety with individual liberties. It highlights that government power to search is not absolute but is strictly controlled by a process designed to protect us, ensuring that intrusive actions are always backed by solid, sworn evidence and authorized by an impartial judge.